Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in La Fortuna. Nice morning here, about 9 a.m. on a Monday. Big tourist town here in La Fortuna, right at the gas station. Check the link in the description below to find where we started this walking tour. And as always, like this video, subscribe right here on YouTube. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video here in Costa Rica. And leave us a comment with your thoughts, questions, and requests, or just say hello. It helps push the video out when YouTube sees a lot of comments. So where are we? La Fortuna, about 2 hours north of the San Jose International Airport, SJO, and 2 hours south about of the Liberia International Airport. And we came down here from Liberia, really scenic drive. You go through Nuevo Arenal. It's a cool little town. You go drive by Lake Arenal, and here you can see the volcano right here in La Fortuna. So all the shops here are opening up. Now La Fortuna is very touristy. Very, very touristy. Like, there's a lot of tourist traffic coming through here. There's tons of hotels, tons of short-term accommodations here. And it seems like almost every other shop is a tourist agency. And here's kind of the central area of La Fortuna. The Central Park, if you will. So we've got a nighttime video up, walk around of La Fortuna as well. So be sure to check that out. We'll link that down below in the description. More gift shops. Look how nice this park is. They've done a great job here. This is one of the nicer parks we've seen in all the towns that we've traveled to. And it stands to reason with the amount of tourism going on here. People stopping through. There's tons of hot springs around here at the base of the volcano. Looks like a gym over there above the Chris Market. And there is the church. Look at how nice they've done it here. This is great. So we managed to find short-term accommodations right downtown here for about $100 a night. So that's not bad. It was walking distance to this area. And if you've been to La Fortuna, leave me a comment with some of the stuff that you did around here and your reviews of it. I'd like to know, so next time I come through I can check those places out as well. We actually checked out Los Laurales, the thermal camping area. They had hot springs and little ranchitos you could barbecue at and stuff like that. And now this is the main road here that we were just walking on. It goes east-west. And then up ahead there's just more and more restaurants. You can see the volcano. Look at how cool that looks. So as we walk here, I'm going to put the drone up and we'll see what La Fortuna looks like from the sky. All right, so there you have it. La Fortuna from above in the drone, heading towards Vulcan Arenal, right there, the Arenal Volcano. So I hope you enjoyed this video here in La Fortuna. Again, be sure to like, subscribe right here on YouTube. And as always, leave a comment with your thoughts, questions, or requests for our travels here. We can video some different locations. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon here. Bye now.